to do the back. So let's take a look at the instructions. The last instructions said side, 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 and SAS. These say angle, side, angle, and angle, angle, side. And this is kind of a new one. In fact, both of these look new. So this one will be interesting to just tell the difference between the two. So notice just the difference in words between the two theorems. I need for this, for the side between the two, to be between the two angles I know about. And for this one, it's okay if the side is off to the side of the two angles that I know about. And if it's neither of these situations, on this worksheet, I can say not congruent. So the worksheet's just having me focus on these two theorems, even though we know there's 5 theorems altogether. Now let's take a look at this first one. So it looks like if I label the points A, B, C, D, they give me one angle here matches this one angle over there. So both of them are called angle C. It's called angle C on the top one, and it's called angle C on the bottom one. Okay, so those are equal, and because they gave me one necklace on each one, and they gave me 2 necklaces here at angle A. Technically, I should use 3 letters to name that, but I'm just going to keep it straightforward at this point. Given, given. And now notice I put a slash mark on here because the bottom of this triangle is lined up with the bottom of the other triangle, and so we know segment AC is on both triangles. That's called reflexive. Awesome. So now let's look at what our evidence spells. So it looks like angle, side, angle, angle, side, angle. If I highlight the 2 angles I know about, notice I'm tracing right across that side. Same thing on this side, angle, side, angle. I'm getting all of my information all in one full highlight. So definitely this is called angle, side, angle, triangle, congruence. If you want to get practice naming, you can go ahead and that's where this would go. I'm not going to really require it for this homework, but I will show it on the first one. And so the first necklace, and then the second, and then the one that doesn't have one. If I name the top triangle here, it would be CAB. And if I name the bottom one in that same order, 1 necklace, 2 necklace, no necklace, it would be CAD. Cool. All right, now let's try another one. This angle matches this angle. Okay, so it looks like I'll call this one angle A on the top shape. Sorry about that. Angle A, and this one I'll call angle C on the bottom shape. And that was given. One angle matched. This one matches that one. So that's angle A on the bottom shape, matches angle C on the top shape. And now you notice it looks weird the way we wrote that. And that's why most of the time, to name this angle, you really should use 3 letters so I know exactly which angle you're talking about. But again, we're just kind of collecting our evidence. This is what's going on in our brains. And now we notice segment AC is on both shapes. It's the bottom of this shape and it's the top of that shape. And that's called reflexive. Okay. Now let's look at what my evidence spells. On the top shape, I have angle, side, angle. And on the bottom shape, I also have angle, side, angle. So it's just like the last question we did. So that's called angle, side, angle, triangle, congruence. Awesome. Okay. Let's do another one. Ooh, I'm noticing vertical angles. So let's name the points A, B, C, D, and E. And the information given, angle A is congruent to angle D because they have one necklace was given. And side AB, side AB, and side ED was given as matching. And we have this vertical going on. Okay, so that's angle C on both shapes, and that was vertical. So now that I look at the evidence, let's just go ahead and collect it. So this angle, 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 side. Interesting. Okay, let's make sure it spells the same thing over here. Angle, angle, side. Cool. So I'm going to come to the conclusion, angle, angle, side, triangle, congruence is my answer. Cool. Let's do another one. Oh, it doesn't look like I got enough information. Nothing's touching here. This side matches this side matches this side, and side is no choice. So I'm gonna just have to put not congruent. Now this one looks congruent. Another way, maybe even a little more correct, is just to basically say there's just not enough evidence. Maybe they are congruent, but we just don't have enough information at this point. Okay, number 5. Ooh, I'm noticing the vertical, so I'm gonna add that and put in my letters. A, B, C, D, E. Okay, so it looks like they gave us angle A and angle D are matching because they have one necklace, given. Side BC and side CE are matching because they both have 2 marks. And last but not least, they both have an angle C that are vertical. Okay, cool. So let's just see what our evidence spells. So I have one angle and another angle and the side. One angle and another angle and the side. So it looks like I'm spelling angle, angle, side, triangle, congruence. Awesome. Next one. It looks like the same thing is happening here. I got one side, I got one side, I got another side, another side. That spells side, side, and that's just same thing. I'm going to circle this and put it both for question 4 and question 6. So I'm not going to have to rewrite that. That's just not enough evidence. Okay. 7. Let's take a look here. It looks like angle, 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 angle. I don't have a congruence theorem called angle, angle, angle. There is none. That's a similarity theorem. So once again, it's too far away to go, so I'm going to rewrite this. Not congruent, and really it's because we just don't have enough evidence. Okay, now question 8. I see the vertical happening here, and so let's just collect evidence, and we should probably name each vertex any letter of our choosing to help us name these sides. Okay, so we have angle A matches angle E, given. One necklace, one necklace. These angle B's are matching because of vertical. And this side here and this side here match because they put one mark. So that's DB matches BC, given. We're given that information. And so let's just collect the evidence here. So we have angle, angle, side, angle, angle, side. Looking good for angle, angle, side. Angle, angle, side, triangle congruence. Okay. Looking at question 9, I'm going to put a mark right here. This side, both the bottom right of this triangle and the top left of this triangle, they share this side. So let's name each of these vertexes and collect our evidence. So it looks like one necklace is here on angle C and one angle C. Again, technically I should use 3 letters, but we're just kind of sketching out our thoughts here. We're given one matching angle. We're given a second matching angle at B. Okay, so that's given. And then we're given this side, CB, because of reflexive. Okay, awesome. So let's just collect the order of the evidence. We have angle, side, angle. And looking at the other shape, we have angle, side, angle. So I think you heard it right. Both of them, the evidence is ordered angle, side, angle. So we're going to write angle, side, angle, triangle congruence. And we got one more here. I'm noticing an angle matches another angle matches another angle, And don't forget about this side. They're both touching, the bottom and the top. So A, B, C, and D. So to collect this evidence, it looks like angle A matches angle C on this shape. That's given. They're both 90 degrees, which we know are equal. Angle B and D match because they put one necklace, given. And side AC literally is the same side AC. That's called reflexive. So our final conclusion as we collect the evidence is angle, angle, side. Let's see if it's the same over here. Angle, angle, side. Yep. So our final conclusion, final question, angle, angle, side, triangle, congruence. Thanks for joining us.